Energy shift, mindset, new belief, changing your mind. That's what I've been working through the last 3 days, which is why I have not been here sharing more about crystals, minerals, and stones, and what I'm doing with them for the past 3 days. Monday afternoon, I started working on a Starseed Crystal Collection. Oh my. By the time I got done with what I could do on Monday, my mind, when I got up from my desk, it was like, whoa. And what's the significance of that? Well, I've known I am a starseed for quite some time. And whether you resonate with this or not, bear with me for a moment, because what it's really about is being seen and being okay with being seen and being okay with people going, oh yeah, she's bananas in the brain. Well, maybe I am. I don't think so, but sometimes yes. I've been working with a huge slab of selenite at night to help move me through. And what do I mean by the energy shift? This time it was really mild sense of dizziness. I mean, a little bit, enough to not be walking in the morning, enough to not be clear enough to share anything with you in the morning in this way. I could do my work, I would move slowly, and I slept more. And oh my gosh, and the oils I used, Saint Germain, Aura Cleanse, Rainbow Spirit, and Archangel Metatron. And yes, I layered all 4 of them. Which one did I do first? Aura Cleanse to cleanse. Then Rainbow Spirit to help balance and align my chakras. Saint Germain to burn off the fuzziness. And Archangel Metatron to balance everything and help me connect enough to do some work and be in the right energy vibe, or the frequency, whatever you want to call it. So this morning, I'm in my garden. It's not a walk day. I am mindful of guidance. Do I miss my walks? Oh my gosh, yes. So the point of this is sharing with you. Maybe a couple of weeks ago you saw one of the vlogs about my wanting to do more, be more, and show up more. Well, this is me attempting to practice what I said I would be doing. And that one thing thus far is the Starseed Crystal Collection. And it's finished. It's on my, it's in the Crystal Boutique. So which crystal, mineral, or stones, like which one is... This is Blue Lace Agate. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you the back side. And you can see it's coming through its own matrix from where it was. Look at that. These are from South Africa, very hard to find. And it is from the Malawi mine. I don't remember or know of the original mine, but the original Blue Lace Agate mine is now closed. It's been... Mother Earth gave everything from it. And now we have the Malawi Blue Lace Agate. I love this. So yes, it is a powerful, high vibe crystal. And it's also soft. It feels soft enough and subtle enough so that it's not overpowering me today. And blue in general is for emotional healing, going through the flow or going with the flow, flowing through emotions, soothing them. And while I do not feel emotional, as we empaths and highly sensitive, HSPs can often feel, I feel like this is more for just breathing and knowing, and kind of a mini celebration that I feel I am through the other end. This is a very short energy shift. And an energy shift, be careful about that word, is a different mindset. It's a new belief. It's something letting go. it is also doing something like the Starseed Crystal Collection and creating crystal kits for, you know, different things that help specific intentions and creating all the parts and pieces. It's really putting yourself out there in a different way or more than ever before, regardless of what anyone else will think or say or do, because you know what? That's their stuff, not yours. And honestly, truthfully, transparently, you know, I go through this stuff too. I call it junkolitis. So this is Malawi Blue Lace Agate, and it is my companion for today, and it will be on my desk as well. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Do pop by the Crystal Boutique. We do, at this point in time, have a few pieces of Malawi Blue Lace Agate in the shop. And if you need help in choosing something, message me. You can pop it in the comments or find me on Facebook or something to message me, okay? Until next time, beautiful soul, have an amazing day and step out beyond. And who are the naysayers? You know, whatever. That's their junkolitis, not yours.